Still on COVID-19, Kogi State has actually begun its vaccination 1 month after Nigeria launched its exercise. And of course, we had a lot of people that were vaccinated that same day. We had... okay, I really don't want to go so much into this. Okay, the Commissioner for Health in Kogi State, Haruna Osaka, assured the resident that nobody will be deprived of taking the vaccine jab, and he stated that the state government has resolved not to compel any individual in Kogi State to take the vaccine, stressing that it will only be admitted at individual request. Now, my question is, do you think the statement sounds right?
One thing there is this. You see, Governor Yaya Bello of Kogi State doesn't know the difference between personal opinion and official opinion. He doesn't even know. He talks as if he holds everybody in Kogi State. He talks as if all the members that is the head of the family of Kogi State. The reason why they allow that the vaccine should be taken, let me tell you, is just because Serap have sued federal government that they should tell Kogi to return the money that he collected when other states are collecting their own to build everything about. So, and he has collected the money and he didn't want to refund it. That is why he allowed that.
Okay.
So it's not because, you know, it's very obvious now. It's because how can he return? Where is he going to? Because automatically the money has been spent. Because there is no isolation center there. There is nothing on ground in that particular state. In fact, it's because of the country we find ourselves. If it's a very good country, House of Assembly of Kogi needs to have called the governor to come and account for the money, so that if he did not spend it, he should return it to the cover of the federal government. Or he should release the money for the civil servant in the health sector to work along with that particular money. And for the Kogi residents, look, your own life is personal to you. You are not sharing the life of the state governor. If you want to go and nobody is going to beg you to take the vaccine, no problem. Take the vaccine if you want to take. But the poor people in Kogi, let me talk to you, because all these people, I won't be surprised if the so-called governor have taken the vaccine secretly. I won't be surprised, because all these politicians, if they say good morning, go outside and look the sky. So automatically, the poor people in Kogi, all this prescription that has been put on ground, please follow it. The vaccine is there for you. It's free of charge. Go and take it. Don't rely on what your governor say. The money that is collecting as allowance is free of charge. It's from the cover of the state. The clothing he's putting on is free of charge. The house he's living on is free of charge. Water, free of charge. Vehicle, free of charge. Health insurance, free of charge. And after he leaves office, he will still be collecting money. Think twice.
So let me add my thoughts. I'm of the opinion that I would like to, for the probably first time, agree that on Kogi issue, the governor is using his personal opinion to redefine health workers' opinion, and that shouldn't. Can see, it's not every time we play politics, and not even when it has to do with lives. That's on the first premise. Secondly, one of the reasons why Kogi also agreed that vaccination should go ahead is that you know that from next month you will really be able to travel abroad if you don't even show it. So some of us that are looking at vacations and other stuff are anxious to take the vaccine, not because we really want to, but we know that there is no alternative. So someone like the governor likes to behave like a very young rich boy, you understand? Hooliganism is still there to a very little extent, so he knows he wants to travel abroad to flex.
His own passport, nobody is going to check him. If it is him, I'm telling you, I have traveled with a deputy governor before, and I know what happened. In fact, one person even forgot his national passport at home. They said, no worry, and we traveled together.
He went on board.
What do you say?
Wow.
No, diplomatic passport carries everybody.
Everything.
Now. Even the one of the governor carries everybody.
Wow.
If these people, they don't go through all this routine that we go through, if it is because to travel, he will travel without fasting and nothing will happen in this country. Even to another country, because when they see any official of government, they are seeing Nigeria in that person. So, and that is the thing. It's not because of that. I know some citizens will treat to that like, so I'm not a governor. If I didn't get this vaccine and I want to travel out, and there are some certain things, privileges you may lose, because Nigeria, they know how to cower some certain people into all these things. Some people did not want to take usually, but when they look, you cannot travel. And the way they are doing that thing, you cannot do fake. True. Have you seen the chips?
Yeah,
the chips. If you just do like this, it will bring everything. The day you take your vaccine, where you took your vaccine, your number. When you are going to take the second one, everything is there. So nobody is going to do fake. And for the first time, I said on this vaccine,
Nigeria
for the first time, Nigeria got it right in the area of data. In the area of data, they got it right. If they can be doing, in fact, with this, they can even do all these
NIN, everything.
So,
but you know, there's something very amazing about Nigeria. Like you said, they had a very good database.
For now. For now.
For this vaccine, and hopefully they could actually apply this same technology to every other thing that
just
we keep complaining.
Now.
Yeah, just we keep complaining. I think basically the ITs, the technology people will say it's just about numbers. So if it's about numbers, just do it and let things go easy. Okay, well, just so you know, the Kogi State government took delivery of their first set of doses, which is 16,900 dose of this vaccine on Monday night. As a Monday night, that was when they got their first